In this video, we'll walk you through how to take off a dip manicure. To start, you'll take the coarse side of the file provided in the kit, file firmly the top layers of the nails to try to get off as much as possible because that will cut down on soaking time. Being careful not to file down to your natural nails. File, file, file. Once you start to see the light parts in the nails, you're getting pretty close to the nail bed, so it's time to wrap. Now take the nail foil wraps, tear off the top. The cotton inside is already saturated with acetone. You'll put your finger in it and fold the foil to secure. After about 15 minutes, you'll take the coarse side of your nail file again and filing any excess dip. In our case, it came off pretty well, but if you do have dip left, what you'll do is rehydrate the cotton that's in the foils with the acetone provided. Leave it on for 5-10 minutes, checking and filing off as needed. Now checking on the dip again, we're going to use the fine side of the nail file since we know it's pretty much off, filing off anything that's left, then following the manicure guide to finish.